Hi everyone, it's now about 6 p.m. and we are going to Paya Benyout village. Let's fly with me. This afternoon I would like to show you the impact that has had on the resident rice field due to the continuous heavy rain that has been pouring down a few days ago. Now we can see together below there the rice field submerged by the flood. Paya Benyout village has an area of 3,236 square kilometers, with the dominant livelihood as a farmer. Population 575,895,000. Now we fly about 1.1 kilometer. The main road that show below connect to several other villages. We hope the condition normally soon, so the farmer can return planting the rice. And finally, see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.